I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a GMC Terrain key fob. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself at home. First, gather your materials: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and quick. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or seam, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. This step requires a steady hand. With the key fob open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the fresh CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure they fit together snugly, then gently press them until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the buttons on your key fob. Verify that the lock, unlock, and remote start functions are working properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.